the second arthropod, that means insect, which we come across commonly in day-to-day life. Housefly, मक्खी, इथे बघितलं मक्खी, त्याचा काही संबंध नाही. Housefly, introduction of this housefly. Housefly is a arthropod insect which is seen everywhere in the atmosphere. So this is called as omnipresence. Omnipresence. So housefly is seen everywhere. That is omnipresence. Housefly is seen in all the seasons, maybe summer, winter, or rainy season. This housefly, presence of housefly in and around the house means in sanitation, means cleanliness. Sanitation is not properly maintained in and around the house. When there is proper cleaning of house, inside and outside the house is not done, sanitation is not maintained, means the housefly enters into the house. If the house is properly cleaned with the detergent, then housefly is rarely seen in the house. So now coming to what are the different types of housefly we know. The commonest type of housefly we see is called as Musca domestica. Musca domestica means this housefly is seen in the house, domestica. Other names, other species which are seen are Musca vicinita, means this type of housefly is seen closer to the human being, closer to the human being. That is called as Musca vicinita, Musca domestica. There are different names, species are given, but most commonly we see is Musca domestica. Now, what are the different parts in this Musca domestica or the housefly have? Housefly has got head, thorax, abdomen. Head contains two eyes, two proboscis, and one pillar. So these are the things which are seen on the head. Abdomen contains a pair of wings and two pairs of legs. So the thorax contains legs, wings and the legs. Now, what is the life cycle of mosquito? Housefly. As I told you in mosquito life cycle is egg, larva, pupa, adult mosquito. Same thing, egg, larva, pupa, and adult housefly. So same life cycle. The housefly survival lifespan of housefly is 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Now coming to what are the different habits of this housefly? Because of this worst type of habits of housefly, many diseases are transmitted. So now coming to what are the habits of housefly? For study purpose, they are categorized under 5. Housefly movement. Housefly never sits at a single place. It always moves forwards and backwards. You have a look to the housefly. Housefly never sits at a single place. It always moves forward and backward. Because of this movement, there is a mechanical transmission, mechanical mode of transmission of different disease agents and the diseases. Because these disease agents, they get attached to the legs and the wings. And when housefly moves forwards and backward, and when it sits over the food material, unknowingly the disease agents are sprayed into the food, and that food is, when that food is consumed by the human being, human being will suffer from the GI tract diseases. So first habit is movement of the housefly. Second habit is feeding habit. The feeding habit of the housefly is worst type. Whenever the housefly sits on the food material, prepared food material, cooked food material, why this sits on the cooked food material or prepared fresh food material? Because housefly is attracted by the smell towards the food, and when it sits on the food material, it continuously omits on that food material, and that solid food material becomes liquid. That part, solid material, becomes liquid because of omitting of the housefly on that food material. That is called as omit drop. Omit drop. This is asked in the Bible also. What is meant by omit drop? Omit drop is a thing when housefly sits over the food material, it omits on the food material, making the solid food into the liquid. That is called as omit drop. Omit drop is full of infectious agents and able to transmit the disease to the human being. Third habit of the housefly is defecation. Housefly, whenever sits over the food material, it defecates there and makes the food contaminated. So, number one is food material gets attracted to the food material, vomiting, then defecation, moves forwards and backwards, transmits the disease. Next is what is the mode of transmission of disease? The mode of transmission of disease, just I told you, it is a mechanical mode of transmission of disease. This I have already discussed in detail. Now, what are the diseases transmitted by housefly? Diseases transmitted by housefly, all the diseases, infectious diseases of GI tract are caused by housefly. So, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, paratyphoid, shigellosis, all these diseases, even hepatitis, all these diseases are transmitted by this housefly. Because housefly sits, where it sits, as I told you, it gets attracted by the food material or the bad things. Both. So, housefly sits over the food material. Housefly sits over the sputum, stool, urine. Housefly also sits over the decaying material. So, all these disease agents which are present on the food, on the decaying material, or the urine, or a sputum, or a stool gets transmitted by the mechanical mode of transmission. Now coming to the how to control the housefly diseases transmitted by housefly, or how to get control over the housefly. So diseases transmitted by housefly are controlled by environmental method, which is the best method for control of any arthropod disease. Environmental control means don't allow the water to get stagnant, no decaying material in and around the house. When you prepare the food is cooked, see that that food is prepared food, fresh food is properly covered. Even if the housefly present in the house, they cannot be attracted or cannot sit over the food material. So, environmental method, leveling and filling of the land so that water cannot get stagnated. Then use of insecticides. The commonest insecticide which is used is space spray and residual spray. Residual spray, DDT. DDT is poured or spraying is done in and around the house, or the space spray by use of pyrethrum. Fogging machine, you must have seen. The fogging machine, what is used in the fogging machine is pyrethrum. It is a gas which kills the housefly. So, first is the environmental method. Second is the insecticide. Third is the use of housefly paper. So specific paper is available which acts as a repellent for the horsefly. So these are the few things. Best way to get control about the horsefly is keep cleanliness, sanitization in and around the house. That is the best way. This medicine will be.